start. So my presentation is titled Promoting Student Soft Skills Through Project-Based Learning in Character Building Pancasila course, a study in a higher education institution in Indonesia. So currently I work at Binus University, Jakarta, Indonesia, and I teach Character Building Pancasila course. So we know that higher education institution have been striving to equip our students with hard skills and soft skills, and including in Binus University, specifically in character building courses. And character building Pancasila is one of mandatory general courses at Bina Nusantara University, which students must undertake in their first semester. Before I continue, let me explain to you that Pancasila is our state ideology. Yeah, it is the state ideology of Republic of Indonesia. So by taking character building Pancasila, students or we expect that students can instill the value of Pancasila. We have 5 principles of Pancasila. Uh, uh, one of the principles is diversity, unity in diversity. And then we implement project-based learning, which is believed as instructional approach that involves students in the acquisition of knowledge and skills through an extended inquiry process, and which is a complex process, real world questions, and thoughtfully crafted assignments and products. And in character building Pancasila course, upon the completion of this course, students are expected to acquire critical and creative thinking, social awareness, and collaboration skills. Hang on. What happened? Yeah. So here are the research objective and research questions. This study aims to investigate how the implementation of project-based learning in higher education, specifically in character building Pancasila course, helps nurturing students' soft skills and preparing them for their future career. And research questions, this study attempts to answer the research questions. How do students view the benefits of the implementation of project-based learning in character building Pancasila course, especially in relation to the enhancement of soft skills, yeah? And this is how we implemented project-based learning. So first, students work in groups and they chose one of the given topics, anti-corruption and religious moderation. And then the next stage is students wrote their proposal. And then in my classes, generally, there are 2 cycles of reviewing proposals. And once the proposal was approved, once the proposal got approved, students prepared the materials for the socialization in community, and mostly in my classes, students held the socialization in schools and orphanage. And then students produce a short video of the socialization and wrote report. And one of the most important part of the report is individual students' reflection. Oop. Nah. And this is a qualitative study, and I collected data from open-ended survey questions, and the participants were 18 first-year students, 8 females and 8 males in 4 character building Pancasila classes, selected with purposive sampling. And here are the findings in terms of soft skills. Students in this study who participated in this study found that the implementation of the project helped them to think critically, particularly when they prepared for the proposal, preparing the materials and writing the final report. It helped them promote the critical thinking. And this I quoted one of the students' responses. Researching and constructing the proposal involve critically evaluating sources, identifying biases, and synthesizing information from diverse perspective. And in this student group chose religious moderation. Yeah, and then through video production as one of the outcomes of this project also allowed them to use their creative skills. And this is the quote from one of the students' responses. Okay, next. Yeah, in terms of social awareness, students, all participating students in the study stated that this project was an eye-opener on social issues. Yeah, and this one response was from students who conduct with the group, with his or her group, conducted the socialization with the anti-corruption topic. Maybe you know that Indonesia, sadly speaking, that we are one of the biggest corrupt country, one of the biggest corrupt countries. So this student chose the anti-corruption socialization in schools. Yeah. Next, the last one, the last soft skill is collaboration skill. So the students admitted that the project provided them with an opportunity to develop their collaboration skills. And this is the quote from one of the responses. So the students stated that the project was heavily team oriented, so everyone has their own role. And I think that this student is the head of the group, so he made it clear from the start that if they had any trouble facing their responsibilities, they could also share it with someone who is willing. And then he made sure that no one was excluded from the project's responsibilities. These study findings are aligned with several existing studies on the implementation of project-based learning in higher education. So for example, the study of Balaisen et al. And Effendi and Zerovnik and Serbeck. I'm sorry that I forgot where these studies were conducted. So, but that I can show to you that my study findings are aligned with this existing studies on the implementation of project-based learning. Okay, so the conclusion is the implementation of project-based learning in higher education can help promoting students' active involvement and soft skills. And in particularly in my classes in Binus University, since we have the 3 Binus graduate attributes, it helps students to achieve critical and creative thinking, social awareness, and collaboration skills. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.